This isn't CGI. This isn't a movie. Right now, as you watch this, tiny rocks from space are slamming into Earth at 60 times the speed of a bullet, and next week, you'll see 100 of them every hour. But how and why? Let's dive deep into the science. Here's the secret. Every meteor shower comes from a comet. Think of comets as dirty snowballs. They're made of ice, rock, and dust. As they orbit the sun, they leave behind a trail of debris, like a pebble truck spilling its load. When Earth crosses these debris trails, boom, those tiny rocks hit our atmosphere at 160,000 miles per hour, burning up in flashes of light we call shooting stars. But here's the crazy part. This tiny speck? That's all it takes to create a fireball visible from 100 miles away. The Perseids, August 12th to 13th, are the rock stars of meteor showers. Why? 3 reasons. 1. They're fast. 60 kilometers per second equals 10 times faster than a rifle bullet. 2. They're bright, superheated to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than lava. 3. They're reliable. Earth plows deep into Comet Swift-Tuttle's debris field. And this year, no moon. Darker sky, more visible fireballs. Let's geek out. When a meteoroid hits our atmosphere, it compresses air so fast it turns into plasma, 4th state of matter. Friction? Nope. It's ram pressure that burns them up. Color? Composition? Yellow/white, sodium and iron, red, nitrogen, oxygen, rare. That tail you see? It's not the rock. It's glowing air behind it. Want the best view? Follow these steps. Go dark. Use lightpollutionmap.info to find black zones. Timing. Peak is pre-dawn August 13th, when Earth faces the debris head-on. Pro tip, don't look at your phone. 20 minutes for full night vision. Just look up and relax. Meteors will appear anywhere. No telescope needed. Sometimes, nature goes full drama mode. These bolides are basketball-sized rocks that explode with atomic bomb energy. Luckily, most burn up before hitting ground, but not all. Want to track these? Apps like Fireballs in the Sky alert you in real time. So next week, grab friends, a blanket, and look up. You're witnessing cosmic history, the same debris that's fallen since Earth was born. Want more space magic? Smash subscribe. I'll be going live during the peak. And tell me below, have you ever seen a fireball?